All right. The 77th shloka goes this way. बुद्धिस्थिरा भवितुमीश्वरपादपद्मा सक्ता वधूर्विरहिणीव सदा स्मरन्ति सद्भावना स्मरणदर्शनकीर्तनादि सम्मोहितेव शिवमन्त्रजपेन विन्ते. So we are pleading Shambhu. Oh Shambhu, just like a new bride. All of you who have been married once upon a time, the first 2-3 days or first 16 రోజులు పండగ, there is something called first 16 days. అయ్యో, other than husband there is no other. పతియే ప్రత్యక్ష దైవం. That time that sentence will be like in your head so much that you will be thinking about him. You want to meditate. It's almost like meditation is nothing but that state of union where everything is about him. So this is Nutana Vadhu. Okay, he did not say old Vadhu or something like that. Seasoned Pativratas na. This is only when you're newly married and you do not know much about whatever. How in that state of sweetness, how you are, how... So we are in the second line we are saying Asakta Vadu Virahiniva. Now say suddenly she had to come to a different place. Now she's thinking, what is my husband doing? What is he eating? When will I see him again? If the end date is not only one-way ticket was bought and she doesn't know when she's going to back to her husband, then how she's going to miss her husband? Just like that, I am missing you, Shambhu. Like a Nutana Vadhu, I am missing. So now please give me, I am going through this smarana. I am going through the state of your mantra japa only. Your namasmarana is happening continuously. I am thinking about you. Namasmarana is happening. I want your darshana. Like the Nitya Vadhu. Please grant me that. I want the sweetness of the state of viraham that is experienced by a Nutana Vadhu for her beloved when she is missing him so sweetly. How she is missing? I am missing you. May you bless me with your mantram, your darshanam, your kirtanam. Please grant me that.
ఇది ఈజీగా ఉంది అర్థం.
మరి మీరు మీ పెళ్లి నాటికి వెళ్ళిపోయారా ఆంటీ? అందుకనే
అలా అని కాదు, ఈ కీర్తన స్మరణ అవన్నీ కొంచెం ఈజీ పద్ధతి కదా.
And then sammohiteva, this is such a moham. Sometimes now the moham is all gone. For all those who have been married for a long time, the moham is gone. But in the initial days, some mohanam will be there. Illusion will be there. Where, oh my God, how... So, my nephews and niece, they recently got married. When I see the newly married couples, how they are with each other, when you see it, you will be thinking of your olden days. It's like, enjoy the show now only. You never know how long it will last. That sweetness. Oh, did you eat? Did you drink? That and all that sweetness for the Nutana Vadhus. They say Kamadeva will reside for 18 months with the newlyweds. Generally, that is in our scriptures, they say, where can you see Manmatha? Then you will say, oh, go to the ones who are newlywed. It will happen for 1.5 years. After that, he will be gone. Krodadeva may come. We don't know. But Kamadeva will reside in the Nutana Vadhus Kapuras. All right. Parvati auntie, you ready to take this shloka?
Okay.
बुद्धिस्थिरा भवितुमीश्वर पादपद्मा
बुद्धिस्थिरा भवितुमीश्वर पादपद्मा
सक्ता वधूर्विरहिणीव सदा स्मरन्ति
सक्ता वधूर्विरहिणीव सदा स्मरन्ति.
सक्ता అంటే ఆసక్తి కలది అని. बुद्धिस्थिरा भवितुमीश्वर पादपद्मा सक्ता वधूर्विरहिणीव सदा स्मरन्ति.
बुद्धिस्थिरा भवितुमीश्वर पादपद्मा सक्ता वधूर्विरहणीव सदा स्मरन्ति.
మీరు విరహణీవ అంటున్నట్టున్నారు. విరహిణీవ అనుందా? విరహణీవ అనుందా?
విరహిణీవ.
ఆ! విరహి. మీరు విరహ అన్నారు. విరహి. హ్మ్.
విరహిణీవ సదా స్మరంతి.
సద్భావనా స్మరణ దర్శన కీర్తనాది.
సద్భావనా స్మరణ దర్శన కీర్తనాది.
సమ్మోహితేవ శివ మంత్ర జపేన వింతే.
సమ్మోహితేన శివ మంత్ర జపేన వింతే.
సద్భావనా స్మరణ దర్శన కీర్తనాది. సమ్మోహితేవ శివ మంత్ర జపేన వింతే.
సద్భావనా స్మరణ దర్శన కీర్తనాది. సమ్మోహితేవ శివ మంత్ర జపేన వింతే.
బుద్ధిస్థిరా భవితుమీశ్వర పాద పద్మ. సక్తా వధూర్విరహిణీవ సదా స్మరంతి. సద్భావనా స్మరణ దర్శన కీర్తనాది. సమ్మోహితేవ శివ మంత్ర జపేన వింతే.
బుద్ధిస్థిరా భవితుమీశ్వర పాద పద్మ. సత్తా వధూర్విరహిణీవ సదా స్మరంతి. సద్భావనా స్మరణ దర్శన కీర్తనాది. సమ్మోహితేవ శివ మంత్ర జపేన వింతే.
ఆల్ రైట్. అనిత అక్క.
ఓకే అక్క. బుద్ధిస్థిర భవితుమీశ్వర పాద పద్మ. సక్తా వధుర్విరహిణీవ సదా స్మరంతి. సద్భావనా స్మరణ దర్శన కీర్తనాది. సమ్మోహితేవ శివ మంత్ర జపేన వింతే.
ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ లైన్ బుద్ధిస్థిరా దీర్ఘం అస్తి. ఇన్ ద సెకండ్ లైన్ సక్తా వధూ దీర్ఘం. Can you do the first and second lines once?
Yeah. బుద్ధిస్థిర భవితుమీశ్వర పాద
స్థిరా.
Okay. బుద్ధిస్థిరా భవితుమీశ్వర పాద పద్మ. సక్తా వధుర్విరహిణీవ సదా స్మరంతి. సక్తా వధూర్విరహిణీవ సదా స్మరంతి.
So when we are done with the class, when we upload the video, go and check the expression of auntie when you did not do the dirgham. It was almost like a speed breaker.
తెలుగు చదవడం రాదు. సెంట్రల్ స్కూల్ కదా, తెలుగు చదవడం రాదు.
అందుకే స్క్రిప్ట్స్ ఇంగ్లీష్, హిందీ, తెలుగు, తమిళ్ అన్ని. Right. So now 78th shloka, we are going to say like a new bride. Like a new bride, please do upadesha to me, to do your seva. Oh Shambhu, like that. సదుపచార విధిష్వనుబోధితాం సవినయాం సుహృదం సముపాశ్రితాం మమ సముద్ధర బుద్ధిమిమాం ప్రభో వరగుణేన నవోఢవధూమివ. So my buddhi is like a nutana vadhu who is well trained. So if you just a vadhu who is not trained, then you go to your mother-in-law's place, you don't know how to cook, you don't know what to do, you are just lost and everybody has to serve you now. This is a vadhu who is well trained. Sadupachara, upachara, how to do the sadupachara, she knows. How to serve, she knows. Vidhishu, her duties, she knows what is her duty, how to serve. Anubodhitam, she is ready to be trained, to listen. Anubodhitam, you say something, she is ready to follow. Savinayam, Vinayam, this is something that lacks in the current generation. When they enter their in-laws place, you do not know if the mother-in-law is the master or you are the master. The minute you enter, you are supposed to be the master. Vinayam nasti tatra. Savinayam, suhridam, with a good heart. With a good heart. Samupashritam, this is the place for a good place that she is in. Ashrita, Ashrita is like abode. Now mama samuddhara, Samudhara. Uddhara means lift. So please lift my buddhi. Buddhi is the vadhu now. Buddhi mimam prabho varagunena navodha vadhumiva navavadhu. Like a new bride who is well trained, good at heart, disciplined, she knows her duties, how to serve, and has the humility and humbleness. Just like that, my buddhi is like that. So now take my buddhi kanya like the Navavadhu and Uddhara. Please take good care of it and uplift it. Like that. Prabhaka, Shambhu granted you with a shloka in exchange of the Turanga. We'll see now.
Sure.
Oh. Sadupachara vidhishvanubodhitam.
Sadupchar vidhish. Can you say it again, please?
So it is Sat Upachara is becoming Sadupachara.
Yeah.
Vidishu
Just 1 second.
Anubodhitam is becoming
Just 1
Vidish
second.
Anubodhitam.
Let me increase the volume a little bit. Okay.
Is my audio okay?
Yes, I kept the volume low because I'm in a different place.
Oh, sorry. Can you take
No,
the
no,
shloka, Akka?
Yeah, I can.
Sadupachara vidhishvanubodhitam.
Sadupachara vidhishvanubodhitam.
Savinayam suhridam samupashritam.
Savinayam suhridam samupashritam.
A new bride generally talks very in a low voice, like Prabhakar doing. Sadupachara vidhishvanubodhitam savinayam suhridam samupashritam.
Sadupachara vidhishvanubodhitam savinayam suhridam samupashritam.
Samupashritam. Samupashritam. She is the one who gives the place. She's always in good company. Like that. Our Buddhi Kanya, we are talking about Buddhi Kanya here. Mama samudhara buddhimimam prabho.
Mama samudharam buddhimimam prabho.
Varagunena navodhavadhumiva.
Varagunena navodhavadhumiva.
Mama samudhara buddhimimam prabho. Varagunena navodhavadhumiva.
Mama samudhara buddhimimam prabho. Varagunena navodhavadhumiva.
Sadupachara vidhishvanubodhitam savinayam suhridam samupashritam. Mama samudhara buddhimimam prabho varagunena navodhavadhumiva.
Sadupachara vidhishvanubodhitam savinayam suhridam samupashritam. Mama samudhara buddhimimam prabho varagunena navodhavadhumiva.
Beautiful. Now, Ushaka, can you do the shloka?
Sadupachara vidhishvanubodhitam savinayam suhridayam samupashritam. Mama samuttara buddhimimam prabho varagunena navodhavadhumiva.
In the second line, Akka, Suhridayam na Suhridam.
Suhridayam.
Ya is not there. Suhridam.
Suhridam.
Mama samudhara buddhimimam prabho varagunena navodhavadhumiva.
Or Prabhaka is enjoying being the Nutana Vadhu.
Just had the ride, just me and my husband last one full day.
See?
Because we are empty nesters now.
Enjoy this time, Akka. Now the best part is both of them are Isha meditators, and Prabhaka was my BSP and Samyama we did together, and Anna is also a meditator. So that's the best ride you can get when you listen to
That's right.
Bole.
It was fun.
That's good. All right. So the next shloka is, oh, this is a beautiful shloka. First, I'll go through the shloka and then pick. Nityam yogi manas sarojadala sanchara kshamastvakramah Shambho tena katham kathora yamarad vakshah kavata kshatihi Atyantam mrudulam tvadangriyugalam hame manaschintayati Etallochana gocharam kuru vibho hastena samvahaye. So nityam yogi manasa saroja. Saroja means Padma. Manas saroja means lotus hearts. In the lotus hearts of yogis, your lotus feet always roams in the lotus hearts of yogis. However, that soft feet, it had to do Katham kathora yamarad vakshah kavata kshatihi. It may have had the impact when it is so used to going and stepping on to the lotus feet of all the Tvatkramaha, all his morning walks, everybody who is doing 5-kilometer walk or 10-kilometer walk, for Shambhu, it is the lotus. From one heart to the other, he will happily step only on lotuses. That is what his walk is. However, when it was time for Markandeya's protection, he had to hit the Vakshasthalam, Kshatihi. He had to give that impact to Yama. Now, from that impact, I wonder how your feet is. So, Atyantam Mrudulam, your feet, Atyantam Mrudulam, Tvadangri Yugalam, Angri means feet. Tvadangri Yugalam, Atyantam Mrudulam, Ha, see, this is also part of the shloka. That expression is also part of the shloka. Me manas chintayati. My manaha is chintayati. It is thinking. It is so soft. It must be so soft. What happened to that foot? Those feet. So now, lochana gocharam. So you come in front of me so I can see your lotus feet. So what happened, I will know. Hastena samvahaye, taking them into my hands, I want to give it some respite. Now we are saying, Brahma, Vishnu and all them, they did not find your lotus feet. But now we are doing a little trick. I want to do something to your feet. They might be impacted because of the hit there. So you please show me your feet. I will do something. Hastena samvahaye, I will do some saparya to you. So you will not feel the pain. You will not feel the impact like that. Astu? All right. Amma Praveena with the background of the backyard, green backyard. Last name, Kaha?
Narayana. Narayana.
Praveena Narayana. Astu. Vadatu. Nityam yogi manas sarojadala.
Nityam yogi manas sarojadala.
Now it will be little tricky to do the next part. Sancharakshamastvakkramaha.
Sancharaksha manas.
Sanchara kshamastvakkramaha.
Samchara
kshamastvakkramaha.
Kshamastvakkramaha.
His morning walk routine. Tvatkramaha is going around, walking. Sanchara is roaming. Kshamastvakkramaha. This is the kramaha, in line or one after the other like that. Sanchara kshamastvakkramaha.
Samchara kshamastvakkramaha.
Nityam yogi manas sarojadala sanchara kshamastvakkramaha.
Nityam yogi manas sarojadala samchara kshamastvakkramaha.
Shambho tena katham kathora.
Shambho tena katham katora.
Kathora.
Kathora.
Yamarad Vakshah Kavata Kshatihi.
Yamaradvaksha Katavakshatihi.
Kavata. Kavata Kshatihi.
Kavatakshatihi.
Kavata means door. His Yama's heart was like a hard door. You go and hit it, right? When you want to open something, you hit with your foot. Like that, he did the hitting on the door like Vakshasthalam, the chest part of Yama. Kavatakshatihi. Shambhote न कथं कठोरयमराड् वक्षः कवाटक्षतिः.
Shambho tena katham kathora yamaradvaksha kavatakshatihi.
नित्यं योगी मनः सरोजदल सञ्चारक्षमस्त्वत्क्रमः. शम्भो तेन कथं कठोरयमराड् वक्षः कवाटक्षतिः.
Nityam yogi manah sarojadala kshamastvatkramaha. Shambho tena katham kathorayamaradvaksha kavatakshatihi.
अत्यन्तं मृदुलं त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलम्.
Atyantam mrudulam
त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलम्.
त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलं.
हा मे मनश्चिन्तयति.
मे मनश्चिन्तयति.
So from the next line, Tietalochana, that ya will come to Chintayati. Like that in the third line. Atyantam mrudulam tvadanghriyugalam ha me manaschintayati.
Atyantam mrudulam tvadanghriyugalam he me manaschintayati.
Ha me manaschintayati.
Ha me manaschintayati.
Etallochana gocharam kuru vibho.
Etallochana gocharam kuru vibho.
Hastena samvahaye.
Hastena samvahaye.
Etallochana gocharam kuru vibho. Hastena samvahaye.
Etallochana gocharam kuru vibho hastena samvahaye.
So he must be a very good psychologist also. Generally, when you are selling some product or something, or you want somebody to do something, if you tell them that if you do this, you will benefit, not me, you will benefit, then they will be ready to do that. Here, hastena samvahaye, I will do some service to you if you show me your feet. It's not me benefiting from your seeing your feet. You will get the samvahana, where I will do some saparya to your feet. Like that, we are doing the reverse thing here. So beautiful. Nityam yogi manas sarojadala sancharakshamastvakramaha. Shambho tena katham kathorayamaraad vakshah kavatakshatihi. Atyantam mrudulam tvadanghriyugalam ha me manaschintayati. Etallochana gocharam kuru vibho hastena samvahaye.
Nityam yogi manah sarojadalam samcharakshamatvatkramaha. Shambho tena katham kathorayamaradvakshah kavatakshatihi. Atyantam mrudulam tvadandrigi. Atyantam mrudulam tvadanghriyugalam hame manaschintayati. Etallochana gocharam kuru vibho hastena samvahaye.
Who find this difficult? This shloka little bit difficult. Good. So Geeta, can you try? I don't know why I'm in this teasing mode today. To wake you up, I think.
Yes, yes, it's working. नित्यं योगी मनः सरोजदल संचार क्षमस्तव त्वत्क्रमः
Kshamastvatkramaha.
क्षमस्त्वत्क्रमः
Tvatkramaha.
स्त्वत् right
Ah.
नित्यं योगी मनः सरोजदल संचार क्षम स्त्वत्क्रमः शम्भो तेन कथं कठोर यमराडवक्षः कवाट क्षतिः अत्यन्तं मृदुलं त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलं हामे मनश्चिन्तयति एतल्लोचनगोचरं कुरु विभो हस्तेन संवाहये.
Beautiful, beautiful. So all of you remember in the this is a different shloka where that Kshamastvatkramaha will throw you off little bit. And then in the third line, Chintayati. Generally, we have Visarga here, An there like that, here like that. But in this particular shloka, the Chintayati, Ti will come towards the end. Very different. All right. So the next shloka, equally beautiful. We are still continuing the sentiment of Shambhu's lotus feet is very soft. However, he is walking on hard stuff. So we are going to say, oh Shambhu, looks like you know when I will be born, I'll be born with a stone heart. Very hard heart. So to enter me and go through that hardship later to enter my heart, you started practicing before itself. That's why you are roaming on in all these places with your lotus feet on hard surfaces. So when it is time, you will be accustomed to. Like that we are going to say. एष्यत्येष जनिं मनोस्य कठिनं तस्मिन्नटा नीतिमत् रक्षायै गिरिसीं निकोमलपदन्यासः पुराभ्यासितः नो चेत् दिव्यगृहान्तरेषु सुमनस्तल्पेषु वेद्यादिषु प्रायत्सत्सु शिलातलेषु नटनं शम्भो किमर्थं तव शम्भो किमर्थं why do you do all this what is he doing he has Divya Grihantareshu. He has the best abode, homes. Sumanaha Talpeshu. And he has talpas are also very. Sumanaha Talpeshu is, talpam is like the bed. Sumanaha, yogis, their hearts are also very soft. But he has the Divya Grihas, yogi hearts and all that to walk upon. But what is he doing? Katinam tasmin natanitimat. The natanam, the dance that he is doing is on hard surface. He is not choosing soft parts. He is doing it on hard surfaces. Esha janim. You know that I am going to be born. I will be born. And then manosya katinam. Asya manaha katinam bhavati. You know that my heart will be hard like rock. So, purabhyasitaha. So, you started your abhyasam. Your practice before itself. That way, when it is time to enter my heart, it will be easy for you because it is a stone heart. Like that. You also want to do rakshayai. Mat rakshayai. You will enter my heart. But at that time, because it will be hard, you started doing purabhyasitaha. Abhyasitaha means practicing. Purat means, from long time. Like before itself, you started practicing. When you have exams, you have preparation holidays, right? Like that here, our Shambhu has some preparation going on to enter our hearts because it will be hard. He is already practicing his dance on hard surfaces and all that. In spite of having the best grihas, he is practicing all of it to do our rakshana and enter our stone-like hearts. All right. Let's see who is next in line. Amma, Praveena Tumala, you ready?
Yeah, Akka.
एष्यत्येष जनिं मनोस्य कठिनम्
मनोस्य कठिनम्
तस्मिन्नटा नीतिमत्.
तस्मिन्नटा नीतिमत्.
So in the next line you will see the. The is going to become the here. Nitimat. And then the will go away. Rakshayai girisim nikomala.
रक्षायै गिरिसीमिकोमला.
We'll do the first line once again. एष्यत्येष जनिं मनोस्य कठिनं तस्मिन्नटा नीतिमत्.
ईशस्येन जनी मनोस्य कठिनं तस्मिन्नटा नीतिमत्.
रक्षायै गिरिसीं निकोमल.
रक्षायै गिरिसीमिकोमला.
पदन्यासः पुराभ्यासितः.
पदन्यासः पुराभ्यासितः.
Visarga followed by per sound, you will do padanyasah purabhyasitah, like that.
रक्षायै गिरिसीं निकोमला. पदन्यासः पुराभ्यासितः.
Abhyasitah, purabhyasitah. एष्यत्येष जनिं मनोस्य कठिनं तस्मिन्नटा नीतिमद्रक्षायै गिरिसीं निकोमलपदन्यासः पुराभ्यासितः.
एषस्येष जनिं मनोस्य कठिनं तस्मिन्नटा नीतिमत्. रक्षायै गिरिसीं निकोमला. पदन्यासः पुराभ्यासितः.
नो चेद्दिव्यगृहान्तरेषु.
नो चेद्दिव्यगृहान्तरेषु.
सुमनस्तल्पेषु वेद्यादिषु.
सुमनस्तल्पेषु वेद्यादिषु.
नो चेद्दिव्यगृहान्तरेषु सुमनस्तल्पेषु वेद्यादिषु.
नो चेद्दिव्यगृहान्तरेषु सुमनस्तल्पेषु वेद्यादिषु.
प्रायत्सत्सु शिलातलेषु.
प्रायः सस्तु शिलातलेषु.
नटनं शम्भो किमर्थं तव.
नटनं शम्भो किमर्थं तव.
किमर्थं तव.
नटनं शम्भो किमर्थं तव.
प्रायस्सत्सु शिलातलेषु नटनं शम्भो किमर्थं तव.
प्रायः सस्तु शिलातलेषु नटनं शम्भो किमर्थं तव.
I think you did sastu akka, make it satsu. Prayasatsu.
प्रायस्सस्तु
Sastu na, satsu.
सत्सु. प्रायः सत्सु शिलातलेषु नटनं शम्भो किमर्थं तव. किमर्थं तव.
Prayaha na, prayas, because the visarga followed by sa will become have sa. Prayasatsu shilataleshu natanam shambho kimartham tava.
प्रायस्सत्सु. It's a tongue twister. प्रायस्सत्सु शिलातलेषु नटनं शम्भो किमर्थं तव.
नो चेद्दिव्यगृहान्तरेषु सुमनस्तल्पेषु वेद्यादिषु. प्रायत्सत्सु शिलातलेषु नटनं शम्भो किमर्थं तव.
नो चेद्दिव्यगृहान्तरेषु सुमनस्तल्पेषु वेद्यादिषु प्रायस्सत्सुशिलातलेषु नटनं शम्भो किमर्थं तव?
एष्यत्येष जनिं मनोस्य कठिनं तस्मिन्नटानीतिमद् रक्षायै गिरिसीनिकोमलपदन्यासः पुराभ्यासितः नो चेद् दिव्यगृहान्तरेषु सुमनस्तल्पेषु वेद्यादिषु प्रायत्सत्सु शिलातलेषु नटनं शम्भो किमर्थं तव?
ईशत्येष जनी मनोस्य कठिनं तस्मिन्नटानीतिमत् रक्षायै गिरिसीम्नि कोमलपदन्यासः पुराभ्यासितः नो चेदिव्यगृहान्तरेषु सुमनस्तल्पेषु वेद्यादिषु प्रायस्सत्सु शिलातलेषु नटनं शम्भो किमर्थं तव?
So it looked like you had the Purabhyasita. It went well, smooth, good. All right. Amma Madhu?
ఓకే అక్క. ఏష్యత్యేష జనం ఏత్యత్యేష జనిం
Etyana, Asia.
ఏష్యత్యేష ఏష్యత్యేష జనిం మనోస్య కఠినం తస్మిన్ నటనాతిమత్ రక్షాయై గిరిసిమ్ని కోమల పదన్యః పురాభ్యాసితః नो चेत् दिव्यगृहान्तरेषु सुमनस्तल्पेषु वेद्यादिषु प्रायः सत्सु शिलातलेषु नटनं शम्भो किमर्थं तव?
Kimardham na, kimartham.
किमर्थं?
Yeah. So in the second line, padanyasah. Padanyasah purabhyasita. Dirghamasti tatra.
Okay.
Padanyasana, padanyasa.
పదన్యాస.
All right. So 81st shloka has a recipe of becoming Jivan Mukta. If you want liberation, you don't need to die and get liberated. Jivan Mukta, when you are alive, how to be liberated in this lifetime itself. The recipe on how your day should go. There is a beautiful saying in English. How your life goes. This is about how your life goes. How your days goes by is of course the way your life will go. So if you look at your day routine, where is it that your energy is going into? Because days will become weeks, weeks will become months, months will become years, years will become life. How our day goes is how our life will go. Not one day here or one day there, but in general, where is it that it is going? If you are sleeping for 8 to 10 hours, of course, 1/3 of your life is gone in your sleep. If you are earning a living and you are giving 8 to 10 hours for that, of course, you are about livelihood, another 1/3 is gone. The rest of that, you are serving your family and all that, of course, another a little bit is gone. But where is your sadhana? Where is your time? Because this Manushya Janma that you get, we should not take this for granted. Next Janma, if we were to born, you never know if you might be the frog on the deck that is bothering you right now. That might be the one that you will become next Janma. We do not know what we will be. When we have the human form, when we have the intellect, when we have a guru, this is the time to make use of it, because the next Janma is not guaranteed what we will be. If we do not have that sense in the next Janma, then if we do not take up this opportunity, it's opportunity lost. We do not know if we'll become human again. Just because we are human in this life doesn't guarantee us to be human again. Sadhguru has promised us. That is a different story. But we have to do our part, because he said if you do your sadhana every day, it will become easy for him. Otherwise, he has to work so much. He will work when he is here, and when we are gone also he has to work. So we have to keep our baggage little low. He always asks, right? Is your karma bag potato bag or paper bag? And we will say, ayo, potatoes. We'll slowly start decomposing potatoes, Sadhguru. By the time we come, the bag will be empty. You can simply blow it away. So this shloka is going to talk about Kanchit kalamu mamahesha bhavatah padaravindarchanaihi Kanchit dhyana samadhibhishya natibhih Kanchit katha karnanaihi Kanchit kanchidavekshanaischa nutibhih Kanchit dashami drishim Yah prapnoti mudatvadarpitamana Jivan samuktah khalu Jivan samuktaha. Who is the one who will be liberated in as a Jivan Muktaha in this life when he is alive? Who is the one? Kanchit Kala, little bit of Kala in the day. Uma Mahesha, oh Uma Mahesha, not just Mahesha. Uma Mahesha is what we are calling here. Bhavatah Padara Vindarchanaihi. Bhavataha, your Padaravinda, Aravinda lotus, Padaravinda Archana, with Archana of your lotus feet. Kanchit Dhyana Samadhibhishya, Kanchit, little more of Dhyana, Samadhi, little bit of Dhyanam. And then Nati Bihi, Kanchit Katha Karnanaihi, Nati is Namaskaram. Namaskaram is not simple folding of hands, na. Namaskaram is what is in me is also in you. What is in you is in me. This is the union. Namaskara is one of the most beautiful ways of acknowledging the true essence of the one who is in front of you. That is Namaskar. Natibik kanchit katha karnanaihi. Listening to your glories. Katha karnanaihi. Kanchit kanchidavekshanaischa nutibihi. Nuti is stuti. Nutibik kanchid dashami drishim. In stages, idrishim is like this. Avekshanaischa. Kanchid avekshanaischa. This is looking. Darshanam also. His darshanam. Yah prapnoti mudatvadarpitamana. Mudam. With mudam. If you do all of this with mudam, not like a chore. He cares a damn. Shambhu cares a damn. If it becomes a chore for you, he will say, you do other exercises, you don't need to come to me. We don't need to go to Shambhu if we see it as a chore. Only if we do it with mudatva darpitamana, where that little bit of reverence, little bit of confession, little bit of surrenderance, little bit of devotion, little bit of arpana bhava. Only when all of those are there, Jivan Samukta Khalu, you don't need to go anywhere. In this life, you will be liberated. Liberated meaning you will, when there is a distance between you and your karma, then it is like watching somebody else's show, right? Happily we can just imagine if there is a horror story and you like horror movies. If you are watching the horror movies and it has the best suspense in the world, will you like it or not? But if you are in the horror, if you are going through the horror story, will you like it? No. If you are watching it, you will like it. But if you are going through it, not knowing what's going to happen, then when that distance is not there, it is horrible. But when you are watching it, it is so beautiful. It's like, this is intense. What kind of a ride it is. So that distance will be given to us. It may be a horror story that we'll be watching our life. We never know. But that distance, Jivan Samukta Khalu, where others' definitions of success, others' definitions of how life should be will not be the recipe anymore. We will use our senses to come to senses.
కంచిత్ అంటే కొంచెమా?
కంచిత్ అంటే కొంచెం కొంచెం ధ్యానంలో, కొంచెం అర్చనలో, కొంచెం నమస్కారంలో, కొంచెం స్తుతిలో, కొంచెం సమాధి స్థితిలో, ఇలాగా ఆయన మూర్తిని, ఆయన కథ వినటంలో కొంచెం, ఆయన మూర్తిని దర్శించడంలో కొంచెం కొంచెం కాలం గడిపిన వాళ్ళకి ముక్తి అన్నది ఎక్కడో కాదు. జీవన్ముక్తః. బతికున్నప్పుడే ముక్తిని అనుభవించగలుగుతారు.
ఖలు.
అక్క
ఖలు అంటే కదా? కదా? అలా చెప్పడం.
ఓకే.
ఆ!
కంచిత, కించిత్‌కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి? కించిత్ అంటే కొంచెం కొంచెం కదా?
కించిత్ అంటే కొంచెం కొంచెం. కిం అన్నది ఇప్పుడు ఏతత్ కిం అని అడిగినట్టు. కం అన్నది ద్వితీయ విభక్తిలో వస్తుంది. అర్చనతో అలా ఇప్పుడు కం పశ్యామి అంటే నేను దేన్ని చూస్తున్నాను ద్వితీయ విభక్తి. దేనిని, నిన్నులను కూర్చి గురించి ఉంది కదా మనకి తెలుగులో. దేన్ని చూస్తున్నాను? రాముణ్ణి చూస్తున్నాను, శివుణ్ణి చూస్తున్నాను. నీ ఉంటుంది కదా, అది ద్వితీయ విభక్తి. కిం కాస్త కమ్ అవుతుంది అప్పుడు.
ఓకే. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
అమ్మ సరిత, యూ వాంట్ టు ఎంజాయ్ దిస్ లిటిల్ బిట్ టుడే? లెట్స్ అన్పాక్ యువర్ సూట్ కేస్ టుడే. కంచిత్ కాలము మా మహేష,
కంచిత్ కాలము మా మహేష,
భవతః పాదారవిందార్చనైః,
భవతః పాదారవిందనార్చనైః,
విందనానా విందార్చనైః.
పాదారవిందార్చనైః.
పాదారవింద. అరవింద is a beautiful name for lotus. పాదారవింద. కంచిత్ కాలము మా మహేష, భవతః పాదారవిందార్చనైః.
కంచిత్ కాలము మా మహేష, భవతః పాదారవిందార్చనైః.
కంచిద్ ధ్యాన సమాధిభిశ్చ,
కంచిత్ ధ్యాన సమాధిభిశ్చ,
సమాధాన సమాధి,
సమాధిభిశ్చ,
ధ్యాన సమాధిభిశ్చ,
కంచిత్ ధ్యాన సమాధిభిశ్చ,
నతిభిః కంచిత్ కథా కర్ణనైః.
కంచిత్ కథా కర్ణనైః.
కథ ఒత్తుతా పొట్టలో చుక్క. నతిభిః కంచిత్ కథా కర్ణనైః.
నతిభిః కంచిత్ కథా కర్ణనైః.
కంచిత్ కాలము మా మహేష, భవతః పాదారవిందార్చనైః. కంచిద్ ధ్యాన సమాధిభిశ్చ, నతిభిః కంచిత్ కథా కర్ణనైః.
కంచిత్ కాలము మా మహేష, భవతః పాదారవిందార్చనైః. కంచిత్ ధ్యాన సమాధిభిశ్చ, నతిభిః కంచిత్ కథా కర్ణనైః.
కంచిత్ కంచిదవేక్షణైశ్చ,
కంచిత్ వన్ మోర్ టైం.
కంచిత్ కంచిత్ అంటే కొంచెం కొంచెం. కంచిత్ కంచిదవేక్షణైశ్చ,
కంచిత్ కంచిదవేక్షణైశ్చ,
నుతిభిః కంచిద్ దశామీదృశీం.
నుతిభిః కంచిత్ శామీదృశీం.
కంచిద్ దశామీదృశీం.
కంచిత్ దశామీదృశీం.
కంచిత్ కంచిదవేక్షణైశ్చ, నుతిభిః కంచిద్ దశామీదృశీం.
కంచిత్ కంచిదవేక్షణైశ్చ, నుతిభిః కంచిత్ దశామీదృశీం.
యః ప్రాప్నోతి ముదా త్వదర్పితమనా,
యః ప్రాప్నోతి యః ప్రాప్నోతి ముదా త్వదర్పితమనా.
ముదాత్, ముదాత్ మీన్స్ విత్ సంతోషం. అర్పితమన సంతోషంగా, ఇఫ్ యు డూ ద ఆఫరింగ్ దెన్ ముక్తి. దట్ ఈస్ ద రెసిపీ ఫర్ ముక్తి. యః ప్రాప్నోతి ముదా త్వదర్పితమనా,
యః ప్రాప్నోతి ముదా త్వదర్పితమనా.
జీవన్ సముక్తః ఖలు,
జీవన్ సముక్తః ఖలు.
సో ఇన్ సంస్కృతం దేర్ ఆర్ 3 words దట్ విల్ సే, ఇన్ తెలుగు సే కదా, అలా చెప్తాం కదా. సో దానికి ఖలు, నను, కిల. దీస్ 3 words mean kada, like that. Okay, so now we are saying Jivan Samukta Kalu. Yeah, he will become Jivan Mukta Kalu, kada, like that. Yah prapnoti mudatvadarpitamana Jivan Samukta Kalu.
यः प्राप्नोति मुदात्वदर्पितमना जीवन समुक्तः खलु.
So if we do not learn Sanskritam and if we only have our Matrubhasha in our hand, then Darpitamana, the minute we see Darpitamana, it will look like as if it is Darpam. Na, Arpitamana. Mudat Santoshanto Tvat Arpitamana is becoming with the Sandhi Mudatva Darpitamana. Kanchit kalamu mamahesha bhavatah padarvindarchanaihi Kanchit dhyana samadhibhishya natibih kanchit katha karnanaihi Kanchit kanchidavekshanaischa nutibih kanchit dashami drishim Yah prapnoti mudatvadarpitamana jivan samuktah kalu.
कञ्चित् कालमुमा महेश भवतः पादारविन्दार्चनैः कञ्चित् ध्यानसमाधिभिश्च नतिभिः कञ्चित् तदा कर्णनैः ओके कञ्चित् ध्यानसमाधिभिश्च नतिभिः कञ्चित् तदा कर्णनैः कञ्चित् दवेक्षणैश्च सुतिभिः कञ्चित् दशामीदृशीन् यः प्राप्नोति दर्पितमना जीवन समुक्तः खलु.
Recipe is little difficult. Wonderful. All right.
Can you explain the meaning of the third line once
I
again,
was going
please?
to ask, Davekshanaisha, or does it?
Kanchit avekshanaischa darshanam. Ikshana means seeing. Kanchit avekshanaischa is becoming kanchit avekshanaischa. Nutibihi means stotramaka. Avekshanaischa is darshanam. Having your darshan.
And Dashami Drishim?
Idrishim is like this. Like this. If they spend their day like this.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
All right. Jamuna akka. కొంచెం నాలుకని అటు ఇటు తిప్పండి.
कञ्चित् कालमुमा महेश भवतः पादारविन्दार्चनैः
कञ्चित् कालमुमा महेश भवतः पादारविन्दार्चनैः कञ्चित् ज्ञानसमाधिभिश्च नतिभिः कञ्चित् कथाकर्णनैः कञ्चिदवेक्षणैश्च स्नुतिभिः कञ्चिदवेक्षणैश्च नुतिभिः कञ्चित् दशामीदृशीम् यः प्राप्नोति मुदा त्वदर्पितमना जीवन समुक्तः खलु.
బ్యూటిఫుల్. ఒక్క మెలికేసాలే ఆంటీ. ఇక్కడ కంచిత్ దశ మీ దృశ్యం కాదు, మెలికేసా కాదు, ఈ కంచిత్ దశ మీ దృశ్యం.
कञ्चिदवेक्षणैश्च नुतिभिः कञ्चित् दशामीदृशीम्
మీ దృశ్యం. So the next shloka.
Akka, that Jivan Samukta Kalu. What was that Kalu?
Kalu means Hena, isn't it? Like that.
Isn't it? Okay.
Isn't it?
So
there are three words: Nanu, Kalu, Kila. These three means isn't it? Like that. All right.
What is the third one? Nanu, Kalu,
Kila.
Kila.
Hena?
Thank you.
All right. So the next shloka is going to extol Vishnu. How did Vishnu become the highest in prayer? Generally, if you see, there are many Shivalayas, but people get drawn to Vishnu a lot. So the success story, behind the success story, what is it? Is in this shloka, because he is the one, the highest devotee of Shambhu is Vishnu. That's why he got the highest position. So the shloka goes this way. Banatvam vrishabhatvam ardhavapusha bharyatvam aryapate ghonitvam sakhita mridangavahata chetyadi rupam dadhau tvatpade nayanarpanam cha kritavan tvaddeha bhago harihi pujat pujatarassa eva hi nachet kova tadanyodhikaha. Banatvam. What all roles did Vishnu take in Shiva's Archana? Banatvam. In Tripura Samhara, our Shambhu needed a Banam. At that time, who was the Banam? He took the form of Banam. Vishnu became the Banam for the Tripura Samhara. So, Banatvam, Vrishabhatvam. Vrishabhatvam. Nandi is also known to be a form of Vishnu. So to become your vehicle, he became Nandi. Ardhavapusha. Narayani means Devi, Parvati. Narayana, Narayani. To become half of Shambhu, he became Narayani. To Ardhavapusha, Bharyatvam, Aryapate. Aryapate is addressing Shambhu. Oh Arya, oh respectful one, like that. Ghonitvam, Varaham. Ghonitvam, Sakhita. He also befriended. Mohini Avataram, he was like a friend. He seduced our Shambhu. Sakhita, Mridanga Vahata. When Shambhu becomes Nataraja, he becomes the drum. For the drums, he is the one who comes with Mridanga Vahata. He comes with his Mridanga. Etyadi rupam dadhau. He takes all these forms to do your archana. And what did he do? He went a step further. Vatpade nayana arpanam. When he was doing the archana for Shambhu's padas, there was one, Shambhu did a little leela, where out of the Sahasra Pushparchana, Kamala Dala Pushparchana, one lotus was missing in the basket. So he took his eye and gave. Our Kannappa is only drawing inspiration from our Vishnu Murti here. Vishnu did that already to Shambhu and attained the highest. Vatpade Nayana Arpanam Chakritavan. He has done the Nayana Arpana to Shambhu. Vaddeha Bhago Harihi. He is the Deha Bhaga. Deha Bhaga. He removed his eye and gave it to you, Shambhu. Pujat Pujatarassa Eva. Pujataraha. When it comes to in all those who are to be worshipped as the highest, our Vishnu Murti got that space. Why? Because of bowing down to you. He has done all this and has attained that place. Pujataraha. He became that. Kova Tvadanya Kova Tadanyodhikaha. Tat Anyaha Adhikaha Kaha. There is nobody more than him. When it comes to bowing down to you, there is nobody other than him. So when it comes to bowing down to for puja, Vishnu is the highest. He became the highest because he bowed down to you, O Shambhu. Now if you go to a place, say there is an important dignitary out there and the entire world is looking up to him. You go and you also want to meet him, and when you go, if that dignitary falls on your feet, now who is the highest? Who is the highest? Now we are saying Vishnu is the highest, but he fell on your feet. That is what we are saying. He fell on your feet and he has earned the one to be the highest. How did he do it? Mudatvadarpitamana, Mudata. Vishnumurti, when he does it with such an integrity and intensity that Shambhu had to give away half of his body, Shambhu had to become his friend, and Shambhu has to become his slave for that matter. In Devi, to Devi, Shambhu says, Tava dasa asmi, Tava dasosmi. I am your slave. That is what Shambhu tells Devi. Now, what is Devi? Narayani, Tatra, Vishnumurti. So, slave. This is the beauty. Bhagwan can become your slave only when you know how to serve him. Beautiful sentence from Swami Vivekananda. The one who knows how to serve knows how to rule. Now, if you serve Shambhu, you can also rule Shambhu, but it takes a lot of integrity. Mudatva darpitamana. It has to be with mudam, santosham, like that. All right. Let's see who has not done the shloka. Cheppandi.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు విష్ణుమూర్తి ఎక్కువ అని చెప్తున్నారా శంభు?
ఆయనకంటే ఎవరు ఎక్కువ ఉన్నారు అని అంటున్నా. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, మీరు ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళారనుకోండి, అందరూ ఆయనకి దండం పెడుతున్నారు. అబ్బా, మీ అంతటి వాళ్ళు లేరు అని. మీరు ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ ని చూడడానికి వెళ్ళారనుకోండి, ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ మీ కాళ్ళ మీద పడ్డారనుకోండి, అప్పుడు అందరూ ఏమనుకుంటారు? ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ గొప్ప, మీరు గొప్ప. ఇక్కడ విష్ణుమూర్తి అందరికంటే ఎక్కువ అయిపోయాడు. ఎలా అయిపోయాడు? మీ కాళ్ళ మీద పడ్డాడు అని. పూజ్య తరహ. Generally, there is something called taratama. Pratyayam called taratama. So, in Telugu we say taratama bhedal lekunda chustunaru, like that. Whenever the tara means if you have two people, when you are comparing two and say this is better than this, if you want to say something like that, then you will say priyatara, like that. Or madhuratara. If you have banana and mango, you are comparing and saying which is more sweeter, then you will say amra phalam madhuratara. It is better than kadali phalam, like that you will say. But if you want to say the ultimate, the best, not among two, among all, what is the best, then you will say tama. So that's why when you use the word priyatama, the word priyatama means you are the best in all the ones that I have priyam. You are the ultimate. You are the most priyam to me. Then we will say priyatama, like that. Tama is among many things, what is the highest? Tara means among two, between two, what is the highest, like that. Okay. Anybody who did not get a chance today? Anilija, you did not get the chance today, right, Amma? You ready?
Yes, Akka.
బాణత్వం వృషభత్వమర్ధవపుషా.
బాణత్వం వృషభత్వమర్ధ.
వృషభత్వం అర్ధవపుషా is becoming mardha. బాణత్వం వృషభత్వమర్ధవపుషా.
బాణత్వం వృషభత్వమర్ధవపుషా.
Whenever you miss something, bhatvana, you go to vrishabhatva. Begin the word. Bharyatvamaryapate.
Bharyatvamaryapate.
Banatvam vrishabhatvam-ardhavapusha bharyatvamaryapate.
Banatvam vrishabhatvam-ardhavapusha bharyatvamaryapate.
Ghonitvam sakhita mridangavahata.
Ghonitvam sakhita mridangavahata.
Chetyadi-rupam dadhau.
Chetyadi-rupam dadhau.
Ghonitvam sakhita mridangavahata chetyadi-rupam dadhau.
Ghonitvam sakhita mridangavahata chetyadi-rupam dadhau.
Banatvam vrishabhatvam-ardhavapusha bharyatvamaryapate. Ghonitvam sakhita mridangavahata chetyadi-rupam dadhau.
Banatvam vrishabhatvam-ardhavapusha bharyatvamaryapate. Ghonitvam sakhita mridangavahata chetyadi-rupam dadhau.
Tvatpade nayanarpanam cha kritavan.
Tvatpade nayanarpanam cha
त्वत्पादेनयनार्पणं च कृतवान्
Twaddeha bhago harihi. Do you have twaddeha or do you have taddeha?
It's त्वद्देह
Good. Twaddeha bhago harihi.
त्वद्देह भागो हरिः
त्वत्पादे नयनार्पणं च कृतवान् त्वद्देह भागो हरिः
त्वत्पादेनयनार्पणं च कृतवान्. But Bhagini over there, after Vam is Sa and Twa, right? I have a Sa there.
What do you have?
Kritavam. After Kritavam, it's half Sa, half Sa, and the Vad.
That should not be.
Stvad Deha Bhago. Stvad.
Kritavan
Even I have it,
Twaddeho
Akka.
Bhaga. Same,
Akka.
Deganavali also had the same thing.
It has Stvad.
Twaddeha bhago hari. Okay, let's do Twaddeha
Twaddeho
bhago
Bhaga.
harihi. Saha asti tatra visarga lopaha bhavati prayah. Twaddeha bhago harihi.
Kritavam Stwaddeha Bhago Harihi.
Pujat pujatarassa eva.
Pujya Pujyatarassa eva.
Hina chet ko va tadanyodhikaha.
Hina chet kovana tadanyo, right?
Tadanyodhikaha. Tat anyaha adhikaha kaha. Like that.
Tadanyodhikaha.
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 Pujat pujatarassa eva hina chet ko va tadanyodhikaha.
Pujya Pujyatarassa eva hina chet kovana tadanyodhikaha.
Ko va na is also there.
No, kova tadanyodhikaha. Yeah, sorry.
Do the fourth
Pujya
line.
Pujyatarassa eva hina chet kova tadanyodhikaha.
त्वत्पादे नयनार्पणं च कृतवान् स्वद्देह भागो हरिः पूजात् पूजतरस्य एव हि न चेत् को वा तदन्योऽधिकः
त्वत्पादेनयनार्पणं च कृतवां स्वदेहभागो हरिः पूज्या पूज्यतरः स एव हि न चेत् को वा तदन्योऽधिकः
बाणत्वं वृषभत्वमर्धवपुषा भार्यात्वमार्यापते घोणित्वं सखिता मृदङ्गवहता चेत्यादिरूपं दधौ त्वत्पादे नयनार्पणं च कृतवान् स्वद्देहभागो हरिः पूजात् पूजतरस्य एव हि न चेत् को वा तदन्योऽधिकः
बाणत्वं वृषभत्वमर्दवपुषा भार्यत्वमार्यापते घोनित्वं सखितां मृदङ्गवहता चेत्यादिरूपं दधौ त्वत्पादेनयनार्पणं च कृतवां स्वदेहभागो हरिः पूज्या पूज्यतरः स एव हि न चेत् को वा तदन्योऽधिकः
Beautiful, beautiful. Amma Shobha?
My connection is really bad, Akka.
Connection, Wi-Fi connection va, other connection va.
No, Wi-Fi connection, Akka. That's why I've been switching from laptop to phone.
Astu, I'm just teasing you. Amma Revati, did you do the shloka today? You already went?
No, Akka, I can do.
Can you do that?
Yes. बाणत्वं वृषभात्वमार्दवपुषा भार्यत्वमार्यापते गोनित्वं शकीतमृगन्तवहता चेत्यादिरूपं ददौ त्वत्पादे नयनार्पणं च कर्तवं स्वदेहभागो हरिः पूज्यात् पूज्यतरः स एव हि न चेत् को वा तदन्योऽधिकः
In the second line, Ghonitvam Sakhita, not Shakita. Ghonitvam Sakhita Mridanga Vahata.
गोनित्वं सकिता मृगन्धवहता
Mridanga Vahata.
गोनित्वं सकिता मृगन्धवहता
Mrigandana, Mridanga.
मृदङ्ग
Hmm.
मृदङ्ग
And in the first line, Bharyatvam Aryapate, Dirgham asti tatra. Bharyatvam na Bharyatvam.
भार्यात्
Do the first and second lines again.
ओके बाणत्वं वृषभात्वमार्दवपुषा भार्यात्वमार्यापते गोनित्वं शकितं मृदङ्गवहता चेत्यादिरूपं ददौ.
Let's do the second line, first part. Ghonitvam Sakhita Mridangavahata.
गोनित्वं सकिता मृगन्धवहता
Mrigandana Mridanga.
मृदङ्ग ओके
Ah.
गोनित्वं सकिता मृदङ्गवहता.
Now in the first line, let's do the first part. Baणत्vam Vrishabhatvam
बाणत्वं वृषभत्वमर्दवपुषा.
All right. So the next shloka, we are going to say, okay, mood check. Is everybody awake? Huh? Okay. All right. So the next shloka is saying, what's the point in going through all the devatas? They also need Amrutam to be alive. Huh? What is the point going to all of them? You, in spite of drinking halahalam, you are the one who is Amaram. So you don't need Amrutam to be the one to go on. So I want to come to you only. I do not want any of the sidekick characters there. I want to come to you only. Like that. जननमृतियुतानां सेवया देवतानां न भवति सुखलेश संशयो नास्ति तत्र अजनिममृतरूपं साम्बमीशं भजन्ते य इह परमसौख्यं ते हि धन्या लभन्ते. So generally liberation is ultimate happiness. But when will you get liberation? If you die, if you are going to be liberated, will you know that you are happy? No. So if you are Jivan Muktaha, when you are in this life and you are liberated, that is when you will know the ultimate happiness, that you will know. You will also know. So now we are saying, Parama Saukhyam hi dhanya labhante here eva. Not after you are gone. Here eva. So, Jananamruti yutanam sevaya devatanam. Other devatas who have Janana and Marana, they also have it. At the end of Kalpam, Brahma is also gone. But our Isha is always there. Every other portfolio is recycled. However, Ishvara is the only one that is always there. So, na bhavati sukhalesha samshayo nasti tatra. Samshayah nasti. Na bhavati sukhalesha. Lesha means ishan matram. Like even this much. Sukhalesha. Even this much sukham they cannot give. Jananam mruti yutanam devatanam. They themselves are going through the cycle. If we go to them, we may not get the sukham. But Ajani, the one who is birthless. So only that which has a birth date will have death date. But if it is unborn, never born, then there is no matter of death date anymore. Ajani, Jani means born. Ajani, so he is the one without birth. Our Amrita Rupam. He is the Amrutatva Rupam. He is the Amrutam himself. He doesn't need to get Amrutam. He is Amrutam himself. Amrita Rupam. Sa Amba. Sambam. With Amba. Sambam. Isham. That Ishvara. Bhajante. Those people. Ya Iha. Here itself. Paramasaukhyam. The ultimate bliss is theirs here. Dhanya labhante. Those people are dhanyaha because they are Jivan Muktaha here eva. Then you go to Ajanimamrutam, Ajanimamrita Rupam Sambamisham Bhajante. Yaiha Parama Saukhyam Tehi Dhanya Labhante here eva. All right. Amma Chandana, you ready? Chandana Tulasi?
Yes, Akka.
जननमृतियुतानां सेवया देवतानां
जननमृतियुतानां सेवया देवतानां
न भवति सुखलेश संशयो नास्ति तत्र.
न भवति सुखलेशः संशयो नास्ति तत्र.
Samshayah means doubt. There is no doubt. No doubt at all. Like that he is saying. Samshayah nasti. When he is making that statement, he is saying there is no samshaya here. This is not the ultimate sukha that you will get. Paramasaukyam, to get it right here, you have to go after Sambam, Isham, like that. जननमृतियुतानां सेवया देवतानां न भवति सुखलेश संशयो नास्ति तत्र.
जननमृतियुतानां सेवया देवतानां न भवति सुखलेशः संशयो नास्ति तत्र.
अजनिममृतरूपं साम्बमीशं भजन्ते.
अजनिममृतरूपं साम्बमीशं भजन्ते.
य इह परमसौख्यं ते हि धन्या लभन्ते.
य इह परमसौख्यं ते हि धन्या लभन्ते.
अजनिममृतरूपं साम्बमीशं भजन्ते. य इह परमसौख्यं ते हि धन्या लभन्ते.
अजनिममृतरूपं साम्बमीशं भजन्ते. य इह परमसौख्यं ते हि धन्या लभन्ते.
जननमृतियुतानां सेवया देवतानां न भवति सुखलेश संशयो नास्ति तत्र. अजनिममृतरूपं साम्बमीशं भजन्ते. य इह परमसौख्यं ते हि धन्या लभन्ते.
जननमृतियुतानां सेवया देवतानां न भवति सुखलेशः संशयो नास्ति तत्र. अजनिममृतरूपं साम्बमीशं भजन्ते. य इह परमसौख्यं ते हि धन्या लभन्ते.
Beautiful. Amma Shravanti, you not do it today, right?
No.
Please go.
जननमृतियुतानां सेवया देवतानां न भवति सुखलेश संशयो नास्ति तत्र. अजनिममृतरूपं साम्बमीशं भजन्ते. य इह परमसौख्यं ते हि धन्या लभन्ते.
Iha Paramasaukyam, here itself. The next shloka is a beautiful shloka where we are going to give our Buddhi Kanya to Kanya Danam. Almost like my Buddhi is like a Kanya. Can you please take care of it? Like that we are going to ask Buddhi Kanyam Pradasye. We are going to give our Buddhi to Shambhu and ask him to take care of it. Kanya Danam is going to happen now. We are going to give our Buddhi Kanya to Shambhu and say, please take care of it. So many addressing, Sambodhana will happen here for Shambhu. Shiva, O Shiva, Tava Paricharya Sannidhanaya Gaurya Bhava. Calling him, O Bhava, Mama Gunadhuryam Buddhi Kanyam Pradasye. Dasye means I'm giving. Pradasye means giving it with reverence. Pradasye. Sakala Bhuvana Bandho. You are the one related to everybody, not just one. Sakala Bhuvana Bandho. You have bandhutvam with the entire Bhuvanam. Sakala Bhuvanam. Sakala Bhuvana Bandho. Satchidananda Sindho. Sindho means ocean. Ananda Sindho means ocean of bliss. Satchidananda Sindho means the ocean of ultimate bliss. Satchit Ananda. Satchidananda Sindho. Sadaya, the one with compassion. Sadaya, Hridaya Gehe, the one who in the heart. Gehe means house, abode, like that. Hridaya Gehe, Sarvada Sambhasatvam. Please live in my heart forever and ever and ever. O Shiva, O Bhava, O Sakala Bhuvana Bandho, O Satchidananda Sindho, O Sadaya, please, Hridaya Gehe, Sarvada Sambhasatvam. I am giving my Buddhi Kanya to you. So, Illarikam, come. come and stay in my heart because I'm giving my Buddhi Kanya. You can come and stay in my heart, in our house, like that. All right. Anybody today who did not go, who wants to go?
Bhagini, can I try?
Darshana Bhagyam dadatu.
Na Bhagini tadeva.
Atru chinta mastu. Anuvadantu. Shiva tava paricharya sannidhanaya gaurya.
Shiva tava paricharya sannidhanaya gaurya.
So the best part is here we are saying Gaurya with Gauri, the one who is with Gauri. So we are saying, oh, to do the paricharya of you and Gauri Devi, I'm giving my Buddhi Kanya. So now you come and stay in my heart, like that. Shiva tava paricharya sannidhanaya gaurya.
Shiva tava paricharya sannidhanaya gaurya.
Bhava mama gunadhuryam buddhi kanyam pradasye.
Bhava mama gunadhurya buddhi kanyam pradasye.
Mama gunadhuryam dvitiya vibhakti tatra. Makaram asti.
Bhava mama gunadhuryam buddhi kanyam pradasye.
Sakala bhuvana bandho satchidananda sindho.
Sakala bhuvana bandho satchidananda sindho.
Sadaya hridaya gehe sarvada samvasatvam.
Sadaya hridaya gehe sarvada samvasatvam.
Sakala bhuvana bandho satchidananda sindho. Sadaya hridaya gehe sarvada samvasatvam.
Sakala bhuvana bandho satchidananda sindho. Sadaya hridaya gehe sarvada samvasatvam.
Shiva tava paricharya sannidhanaya gaurya. Bhava mama gunadhuryam buddhi kanyam pradasye. Sakala bhuvana bandho satchidananda sindho. Sadaya hridaya gehe sarvada samvasatvam.
Shiva tava paricharya sannidhanaya gaurya. Bhava mama gunadhuryam buddhi kanyam pradasye. Sakala bhuvana bandho satchidananda sindho. Sadaya hridaya gehe sarvada samvasatvam. Sadaya hridaya gehe sarvada samvasatvam.
Vasatvam means stay. Samvasatvam means happily stay. Come and sada, always come and happily stay in my heart.
Shankara is never going to deny this Vinanti. Kalu.
So he is constantly asking Buddhi Kanya, how much pralobha we are doing to our Shambhu. If you first we will say Buddhi Kanya, okay, Navavadu, and then it's like the list will only go on. You want Paduka? I have the Paduka. You want a vehicle? I have a vehicle. You want this? You want a city? I'll give you a city. You want a fort? I will give you a fort. You want a flower? I'll give you a flower. Like that, whatever, in different ways. Please come, please come, please come, is what we are saying. All right. The next shloka is
ప్రవీణ గౌర్యాంబ అని ఉంది ఇక్కడ నా దగ్గర. గౌర్యాంబ ఫస్ట్ లైన్.
గౌర్యాంబ అంటే అంబ అని పెట్టడం వల్ల మీటర్ సరిపోతుందో లేదో తెలియదు, కానీ మీనింగ్ అయితే అమ్మ, అమ్మతో
గౌరీ అన్న ఉంటే గౌర్యాంబ అన్న.
కానీ గౌర్యాంబ పని చేయదేమో ఆంటీ. గౌర్య అంటే అమ్మవారితో లాగా, గౌర్యాంబ అంటే ఆవిడ్ని పిలిచినట్టు అవుతుంది. సో గౌర్య అని పెట్టుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ శ్లోక is a beautiful shloka. Now we are going to say, I want to do when you do puja, shodasha upachara puja, when you do that, you'll say naivedyam samarpayami, abharanam samarpayami, vastram samarpayami. Like that you will do the upacharas. Now we are going to say, I want to do naivedyam. If I want to do naivedyam, what is the best thing you like? You like halahalam. I cannot do the sagar mathanam to give you naivedyam samarpayami and bring the halahalam from where. I cannot do that. And then I want to do abharanam samarpayami, and then the best abharanam I want to give. Where will I give the avaranam, money and all that? The best avaranam will be there as the money for the snakes. Where are the snakes? In the Patalam. I cannot go to Patalam and bring the best money for you. I cannot do Bhushanam Samarpayami. I cannot do Avaranam Samarpayami. I want to do Vastram. If I want to do Vastram Samarpayami, what do you like the Vastram? Gajacharmam. Abba. Gajacharmam. I am not a hunter. I cannot do Vastram Samarpayami to you. When I have the capability for all that, we will see. I cannot do any of that. So, doing Upacharya for you is very difficult, Shambhu. That is what we are saying. I am not able to do Upacharam for you because Sagar Mathanam I cannot do. Patala Bhedam I cannot do. I cannot go and do the Kirata work. I cannot be a hunter. So, I am not able to give you Naivedyam. I am not able to give you Vastram. I am not able to give you Bhushanam. Upacharam, how should I do your puja? Is what we are wondering in this. All right. The shloka goes this way. Jaladhi mathana daksho naiva patala bhedi nacha vanamrugayayam naiva lubdha praveenah ashana kusuma bhusha vastra mukhyam saparyam kathaya kathamahante kalpayani indu maule. Indu maule means Indu means moon. Mauli means Alankara. Indu Maule means the one who has moon as the Alankara. Oh Indu Maule, oh Shambho. Jaladhi means Sagara. Mathanam, Dakshaha means capable. Jaladhi Mathana Daksha Naiva. I cannot do Jaladhi Mathanam. I cannot do Sagara Mathanam. Na iva patala bhedi. Patalam, I cannot go and dig into the patalam because all the nagas are there. Naga kanyas are there to have the best monies. Patala bhedi, I cannot do that. Nacha, and even then, even vanamrugayayam naiva lubdha praveenah. I am not an expert in vanamrugayayam. I am not an expert in killing all these animals. Vanamrugayayam naiva lubdha. I cannot do that also. So now Ashanam Naivedyam for food. Ashana Kusuma. Kusuma is a flower. Here it is beautiful. Please, after we are done with Shivananda Lahari, just take few days to see how he is addressing Shambhu in different shlokas. Every time his addressing will change. Shambhu has so many names, right? Sometimes he will call him Shiva. Sometimes he will call him Rajashekara. Sometimes he will call him Vibho. Sometimes it is Prabho. Sometimes it is Swami. Sometimes it is Bhikshu. In different shlokas, why is he calling him in this way? When he has so many other names, why is he calling him like this? If we think it is so beautiful, there will be a little code there. It will become a decoding activity for us. Why this addressing in this particular shloka like that? Here, Indu Maule, he is wearing something Indu. The moon in his Chandravanka is his ornament. Generally, when you wear something in the head, it is a flower that you want to do. Now, Pushpam Samarpayami, if you give Pushpam Samarpayami, they will put it in the head only, right? They'll not, even if you give it to men, they'll put it behind their ear, here like this, touching the head only. Now, here we are saying Kusuma, and where did the moon come from? Sagar Mathanam. Moon came from, moon is a brother of our Lakshmi Devi. Why? Because he came from Sagar Mathanam too. That's why now Kusuma, if I want to do Pushpam Samarpayami, which is your Kusuma, is the Rajashekara, the Indu, the moon, which also came from Sagar Mathanam. Ashana Kusuma Bhusha Vastra Mukhyam Saparyam. I am not able to do a Saparya. I want to do Upacharam to you, but I am not able to do. Kathaya, you tell me. Katham, how? You tell me how I can do it. Aham te kalpayani indu maule. How can I make arrangements for your Saparya? You tell me. We are putting it back on him. I don't have this capability. How can I do your Saparya? You tell me. Is what we are saying. Astu. Parvati auntie, cheptarandi. Jaladhi mathana daksho naiva patala bhedi.
Jaladi mathana daksho naiva patala bhedi.
Nacha vanamrugayayam naiva lubdha praveenah.
न च वनमृगयायां नैव लुब्ध प्रवीणः.
ప్రవీణః అన్న పదం చూసి నేను నా పేరేమో అనుకున్నాను. ఈ శ్లోకం అంటే ఇష్టపడ్డాను. కానీ పుల్లింగ శబ్దం అస్తి తత్ర. ప్రవీణः స్త్రీలింగం నాస్తి. నా పేరైతే ప్రవీణ అని ఉండేది. ప్రవీణः అంటే పుల్లింగం. కాబట్టి నా పేరు కాదు. ఐ యామ్ నాట్ ఎన్ ఎక్స్‌పర్ట్. దిస్ ఈస్ వాట్ హి ఈస్ అడ్మిటింగ్. జలధిమథన దక్షో నైవ పాతాళ భేదీ न च वनमृगयायां नैव लुब्धः प्रवीणः.
जलतिमथन दक्षो नैव पाताल भेदी न च वनमृगयायां नैव लुब्धः प्रवीणः.
अशनकुसुम भूषा वस्त्रमुख्यां सपर्याम्.
अशनकुसुम भूषा वस्त्रमुख्यां सपर्याम्.
कुसुम पुव्वु. अशनकुसुम भूषा वस्त्रमुख्यां सपर्याम्.
अशनकुसुम भूषा वस्त्रमुख्यां सपर्याम्.
कथय कथमहन्ते कल्पयानीन्दुमौले.
कथय कथमहन्ते कल्पयानीन्दुमौले.
अशनकुसुम भूषा वस्त्रमुख्यां सपर्यां. कथय कथमहन्ते कल्पयानीन्दुमौले.
अशनकुसुम भूषा वस्त्रमुख्यां सपर्यां. कथय कथमहन्ते कल्पयानीन्दुमौले.
जलधिमथन दक्षो नैव पाताल भेदी न च वनमृगयायां नैव लुब्धः प्रवीणः. अशनकुसुम भूषा वस्त्रमुख्यां सपर्यां. कथय कथमहन्ते कल्पयानीन्दुमौले.
जलधिमथन दक्षो नैव पाताल भेदी न च वनमृगयायां नैव लुब्धः प्रवीणः. अशनकुसुम भूषा वस्त्रमुख्यां सपर्यां. कथय कथमहन्ते कल्पयानीन्दुमौले.
अस्तु. उषा akka, you want to do the shloka?
లాస్ట్ లైన్ కల్పయాनीन्दुमौले అంటే పడుకోవడానికి అని అర్థమా?
కాదండి. ఎలా కల్పించను, ఎలా ఏర్పాటు చేయను? కల్పయాన్ ఇందుమౌలే.
కథమహంతి
అహం అంటే నేను. కల్పయాన్ అంటే మనం ఏదైనా చెప్పేటప్పుడు పరికల్పయామి అని అంటాం కదా, అలా అలా ఏర్పాటు ఎలా చేస్తాను అని అడుగుతున్నా.
जलधिमथन दक्षो नैव पाताल भेदी न च वनमृगयायां नैव लुब्ध प्रवीणः. अशनकुसुम भूषा वस्त्रमुख्यां सपर्यां. कथय कथमेहं ते कल्पयानीन्दुमौले.
कथय कथमहन्ते. अहन्ते पुनः चतुर्थ पंक्ति.
कथय कथमहं ते कल्पयानीन्दुमौले.
ईन्दु दीर्घमस्ति. कल्पयानीन्दुमौले.
कल्पयानीन्दुमौले.
Do you have Indumole or do you have Kalpayanindumole or Neendumole?
Kalpayanindumole.
Kalpayani. All right.
Thank you.
Now the next shloka we'll only go through. We only have 1 minute. The next shloka is again trying to convince Shambhu. Oh Shambhu, I want to do your puja. When you do your puja, you want to say Argyam Samarpyami. When you say Argyam or Padyam, you want to do that. You want to look at the feet and wash your feet. If I have to say wash your feet, I should see your feet. Show me your feet is what we'll ask. In different ways we are asking him. Pada Padmam Darshanam Dadatu 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 iti. Tomorrow we will ask him, please give your darshanam, and we'll see if we'll get his darshanam. Astu. It's 8 o'clock. Let's close with invocation. असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतङ्गमय शांति शांति शांति। धन्यवादः।